All right, y'all, it's upgrade day. Thanks to my cousin Reggie, on his way. Gonna make a few little modifications to the Outlander 1000. You see, we got the tiger tail. Gonna put on today. We got, where is it? The new Yoshimura exhaust going on, and I got some rear axle protectors I'm gonna put on, because the little plastic ones that come with it right there, you see that one right there is broke from my last ride at Sugar Creek. We're gonna replace that. So just a few little modifications, nothing big and fancy. We'll keep y'all up to date. So here it is, by the way, if you hadn't really seen it. I know it's been mainly covered with mud. This is it right here. 14-inch rims, 28-inch Zillas. Got the box. They threw this in for me when I got it, because I had just bought that one a month before and got this one exactly a month later. Got that one for my son, which was really originally mine. I got the bigger one for me. So there's the little box. Tried to clean it out a little bit. When I flipped over at Sugar Creek, this thing was completely submerged, and so it was full of mud, water. I did the best I could to get it cleaned out. Got all my papers ruined, but that's fine. Also has a little back here. That's pretty decent storage. Well, that's it. Like I said, new exhaust, new trailing arm protectors, new tiger tail coming. Got this little 4-gallon backpack sprayer we take down with us, fill it with water. Cool yourself off, rinse your radiator off, rinse your bike off, wash whatever you need, have an extra water with you. By the way, I got extra tires. Hit me up if you want to buy them. These are the original ones that came with it. These Carlisle's. I believe they are 26 by 8 by 12s. And I think these are 10s down here. So the 2 front tires, 2 back tires. Only got about 5 hours on them. So if you want to buy some like new tires, I got some that I'm willing to part with. Even got some that are on the rims when I changed out my tires with the new rims. The Carlisle's that came with it still got the rims on it. What are they? Yeah, 26 by 10 by 12. So shoot me a comment, hit me up on Twitter, Riding Dirty 901. Let me know if you're interested. All right. All right. Got the new pipe on there. Hold it. Y'all know it sound good. Hell yeah. All right. All right, y'all. Maybe 3 hours. Got the new tiger tail on there. And make sure you all see. It says tiger tail. That ain't no off-brand. That's tiger tail. All right. Got the new stick stoppers on there. This was a booger bear doing there. This one was a whole lot easier. Got the new muffler on. And for somebody that's not mechanically inclined, I did it. I don't say not all by myself. My cousin Reggie helped me out a whole lot. But you know, I wanted to make sure I got my hands dirty, man, on my own bike. You know, learn how to do this stuff myself. So anything break down, I know how to fix it. So let's take it for a spin.
Patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music so loud, I'm swinging. They hoping that they gon' catch me